In today's video, we are going to show you how to archive a document on ClickUp. Let's begin. Now, this is a super useful feature for keeping your workspace clean and organized. All I have to do is very simple. Once you are logged into your account, go to the left side panel of the dashboard and go to the space that you wanted to archive this specific document. Now here, if you want to archive this specific document, all I have to do is click the three dots icon on the top right corner where it gives you the option to archive. Okay? And of course, you also have the option to unarchive it. As you can see, there is a small icon here, which shows for a few seconds. Okay? Go here so you can unarchive that specific document. It's very straightforward, very simple and easy. If you found that helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.